collections. Wow, very nice collection. Toys, animals, dinosaurs, all animals, all dinosaurs. Wow, this is horse. Wow, Spinosaurus. Okay. This is lion. Wow, very nice. Wow, yeah. Oh, yeah, chico boy. Yeah, lion. Color, beautiful color. Wow, light blue color. Wow, two colors. Beautiful, very nice collection. All animals in washing. Okay. Yeah. All animals in washing. Okay. Wow, nice collections. Very nice. Oh, this is horse. Wow. Wow, beautiful collections. Oh, nice toys. Elephant toys. Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Yeah. I like dinosaurs. Right. Oh, dinosaurs. Oh, very nice. Oh, giraffe. Oh, good giraffe. Oh, my lord. Oh, Ankylosaurus. Very nice. And all animals. Wow, dinosaurs washing. Okay. Wow. This is lion. Wow, dinosaurs. We are perfect. Okay, two colors. Giraffe. Wow. Oh, blue color like dinosaurs. Wow. Very dangerous, Lord. Very nice. Hi, guys. Very dangerous, guys. Okay. Oh, wow. It's water. Wow. Beautiful water. Wow. This is water. Okay. And all animals and dinosaurs and all animals washing water and walking. Wow. Ready. Yeah. First animal. Oh, lion. This is lion. Wow. This is lion. This is lion. Okay, next. Oh, next, Trex, dinosaur. Yeah. Very dangerous dinosaurs. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is a pro. Yeah. Wow. This is a. This is zebra. Wow. Oh, like elephant. Oh, very nice elephant. Okay. Wow, very dangerous animal. Wow, ready? Okay, next dinosaurs. Yeah. Next dinosaurs.
Their plates change colour when they scare off other dinosaurs, so I need to find an angry one.
This walk. Yeah.
Brouté au loin, il suivait sa trace en se disant
toujours par se trahir.
Oh, zebra. Oh, very dangerous. Yeah.
Giraffes are some of the most iconic creatures of Africa.
Nice. Okay, yeah. Oh, next. Oh, Spinosaurus. Very dangerous Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus.
Welp, it's finally here. I'm super excited for this, and this is not going to be a traditional video. I'm just going to have a speed build, and then some...
Last. Horse. Hey, this is horse. Okay.
We gotta groom you up. Yes, you got shavings.
Guys. Oh, I like this horse. All animals and Kaenotaurus. Oh, danger, very danger. Wow.